Hey everybody, this is Primo, and we're heading out to a little bit of a cruise today. We're heading out from a mall, and we have a bunch of guys that are getting together in some cool supercars, and we're going to drive down and check out some new stuff that's going on in Factory 5. Factory 5 was where our channel really got an explosive start early on, so I really love supporting their stuff. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, so the first thing is our little meetup here. Everybody's meeting up at one spot, and then the next step is going to be driving down to Factory 5. There's going to be 2 cruise groups that are taking off from here today and headed out to see whatever's going on at Factory 5. I kind of wanted to leave myself in the dark about what was going to be down there because I like being shocked and you see the cool stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like what you're seeing, and we'll see you then.
A few moments later.
So this was quite the turnout today. Tons of cars, but yeah, it's gonna be great, like packed full of people, and I'm hoping they're gonna see some kind of unveiling today. So maybe we twist some arms at Factory 5 and get something done. So we are back to Factory 5, kind of where this channel kind of just began. It was my first inclination that the future of supercars would revolve around kits, and to be honest, I think it's even more true now than it ever was before. So yeah, so we're gonna check out some of the stuff that they're gonna be pulling out today for us. I don't know, I'm gonna be as surprised as you guys to see it. So yeah, let me know what you think.
If you look at Factory 5, the first thing you see is flags on the wall. All those flags except for one that flown in combat, taken in transports in combat on the ground. So Factory 5 racing, these are demo cars. I have a big problem, we don't have enough space for cars, so we put these lifts in here. This used to be our R&D shop. Now it's 100% our race shop. We also build engines for racing. We build their Coyote engines, put the transmissions on them, bell housings, clutches, and ship them out as a roll unit ready to drop into Factory 5. I'm so excited about this company, having you guys here is really fun. Here's a Mark V frame. These are two-frame race cars. These are proper chassis. These are cars that perform at really supercar levels, but you're building in your garage.
And so that's it. I'm sitting, this is the end of the thing today for Factory 5, and I'm finally getting to sit in the F9. And honestly, this is my dream car. This is the future of cars, guys. I know people don't know it, but it is, and it feels like everything that new stuff needs to be. It's analog, it's raw, this is what we're missing in the supercar community. So come down to Factory 5, check it out, guys. You're gonna love it.